Snow Miser and a Heat Miser Christmas look. Again, I do have a shade. I'm going to start by painting this half of my face blue, and then this half will be like a fiery color. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my makeup, and I'll be right back. Yes, I have tissues in my nose, but that is to keep me from breathing in the paint because it makes my sneeze, and I have asthma. But I have mixed the shade of blue, and I am going to paint this half of. I kind of look like a Smurf. The Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder because it is actually white. Doesn't have a skin tone cast to it like some of the other ones. I also got this in a BoxyCharm a long time ago, and I'm not a big fan of powders like these for regular foundation because I do feel like they show like a white because I don't know, I just feel like it helps me keep my hands clean-ish. You can't really keep your hands super clean doing stuff like this, but I'm going to take a powder puff, a little powder puff. It's got glitter on it. That's okay because I probably will spray the blue with glitter when I'm done before I do the detail work. Just because I like the way it looks. And this, setting it with powder just gives you the ability to paint over it with other paints and that not melt together. You don't have to use as much as you do with cream paint. And again, if you were just using your airbrush the whole time and you weren't planning to do a lot of details that you didn't want to fade into the blue, you could totally get by with not doing it at all. In fact, I don't really set it hardly at all because I mean you can look that there is no powder coming off on that. I'm mainly focusing on areas like this. And then I am gonna go in with some blue shadows and do some shading around the face. And I might even go in with some white airbrush paint and do some highlighting, but we're gonna see where we end up. I like to use specific palettes for makeup like this. Things that, bright colors usually that I don't wear a lot in real life, but I like to use them in videos. I will probably end up pulling from this palette. We used it last time. The Magic Awaits by Snarlsbox. Our shadows have pretty good pigment and they work well for this. I'm going to use that blue. As you can see, I have used a lot of them. I'm going to grab just a little brush like this and pick up that pigment and start really working it into my hairline. Yes, I will have to wash my hair after this, unfortunately. And I'm going to put a wig on. You are going to use your shadow like you would use like a contour. So anywhere that you would contour or bronze, you'll put this. Anyway, I like to snatch my nose. My version of snatch. I can't do this new stuff that the kids do. I'm just gonna give it a little definition in here. And I'll go over it with that lighter blue and just smooth it out. And I am gonna actually, there we go. Now, I am going to find a lighter blue, like probably this one here. By Lizette's Beauty World. This is the Slushy Anointed by Slushy palette in shade Blessed. Blessed 1 year. And I'm going to use it as a highlight where I want things to look a little brighter. I'll go back over with that blush, or maybe a different shade. If you could have an unnaturally natural skin color, what color would you pick? I think I'd either pick blue or purple, because they are like my favorites to do. Now I'm gonna do a little bit up here in the forehead, just to give it some dimension. And do you see how that looks a little bit better? You might be thinking it does not look better, but it does. It does. I'm going to go in that same palette, Grace, and just reapply that blush. And then I'm going to actually color switch this and just make sure everything is blended. Glow Haven by Lizette's Beauty. No, I am not sponsored by her. I just like her makeup. And I'm going to use a brush like this. And I'm going to use the shade Heavenly mixed with Holy, I think. Just a little bit of frost. And maybe. This might not work on the blue. I might actually have to use the blue eyeshadow. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use a shimmery blue shadow. But well, that worked. And now I'm going to plop a little bit in the inner corner. Just because I feel like it makes you look prettier. Oh. So anywhere in real life that you would add highlighter, you can add it there. I am going to put a little bit right in here. And again, I think I will do spray glitter today. Joy. Do you like spray glitter? And now we are going to go ahead and do some like frosty details with some white paint. And then some darker blue snowflakes. Angel Plans, I'm not going to actually use silver eyeshadow. I am actually going to use a paint. This Twilight Skin from Edward. And I don't do it the way that some people do. Right onto a puff. And then you wait for it to dry a minute and then you start tapping it. It doesn't run the paint. Okay, so I am going to add a blue lip and then some white eyelashes. And then we'll be done with Mr. Cold Master. And added some lashes with a little bit of white primer on them. And we are going to go ahead and start on the Heat Master. I have preloaded my airbrush with the yellow. And I am just going to fill all this in, so enjoy. And with some orange and do some like fiery patches. You'll see. So we've kind of got the flamey side going on, so we're going to go in with shadows though instead of a translucent powder. On this side we're going to do shadows, and we're going to use yellow, orange, and red. This palette from Smallsbox to do this. The red and the yellow out of here. And then I also have a red, a yellow. I'm going to use this palette because it has a yellow and an orange. And then I'm gonna grab this palette because it has a yellow and orange and a red. And then I need one more darker shade of red. And I'm gonna grab, if I can get it out, the Pumpkin Queen palette. If you guys don't follow her, you should. She's very nice, very sweet, very supportive. Does crazy, incredible makeup. Do you know her? You guys know who I'm talking about? This lady right here. And I'm going to use the dark. So now we are going to go in with the Jacob Spray from the same brand. It's golden. I'm actually going to use that same powder puff though, because I don't think that the silver will transfer. And I'm just going to get that nice and sprayed and start tapping it gently over everything that I want to be sparkly. Such a bright gold. I don't know if I like the gold one more or the silver. They're both very pretty. 10 out of 10 recommend. And they don't rub off. It's lightly. I don't want to overdo it on the face because I don't want to take away from the detail. Okay. Now I am going to put some lashes on, some lips, and I'll be back when I have all the full thing together. Alright, this is the finished look for this No Miser Heat Miser look. I will insert some photos after this with the special effects and everything. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate you all. Have a good night. Bye, and Merry Christmas.